1.
Download Pixified Tips Helper Guide and package file.
Find that in the description.
Place the package file in your Sims 4 Studio mods. If you're not sure how to do that, check the last video. In Sims 4 Studio, Selective Clone, Object, the Custom Example, Export Mesh, Create a Window. If you want to know how, check my last video. Re-import Mesh and Shadow Mesh.
2.
On Inner Frame, create Inner Edge Loop. Separate it. Export it using these settings. Open Export in Notepad. Copy all numbers and paste it into Pixified Tips Helper Guide.
3.
With both Guide and Cutout visible, Edit Mode, Vertex Mode. Open Side tab. Pick a vertex. Cursor to select. Match the coordinates by using the Pixified Tips order structure. Top left to top left, top right to top right, so on and so forth. We will only fill the PA. Round up or down and adjust as needed.
4.
Now PA in general shape has been filled. We need only copy the number and place in the proper match in PB. So, BL is PA's BL, and so on and so forth. The same must be done in the cutout section. The numbers with matching icons means they are duplicates. Continue filling till done.
5.
Warehouse. Model cutout. Data. Edit items. The top 4 are the main shape. From the top of our guide, in General Shape section, import the first PA number to Edge 1's first point A. Copy the second PA number to Edge 2. Copy the third PA number, paste to Edge 3. Copy the last PA number in Edge 4, paste in point A. And from the top, repeat for point B's.
Six.
Remove anything underneath the last 4 edges. Now heading to the cutout section, or you can overwrite them. Add. And in that edge, copy PA to the top point A and copy the PB to the point PB. Add. Rinse and repeat. If you have more points, simply adjust.
7.
If you changed your wall height, adjust height by Warehouse. Cutout info. Edit items. Minimum height. For short wall, 3, medium wall, 4, or 5. If you change the width to adjust width, edit cutout tile width. 1 tile square in Blender is 1 tile in the game, so 1 equals 3. There's a bit of trial and error, but have fun. Done! For a slowed down version of this video, check out the subscriber section.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.